How are you? Okay. Restaurant Melayu. Hussein Corner. Okay. Okay. Started with the fry. Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for clicking, thank you for stopping by. Yes, today it's a good evening, a beautiful evening. I'm going to try some food. I don't want to try something new anyways, I don't know, but anything I see, I'll try. I'm actually going to a particular restaurant, which is just around this section 17 area. I've gone there before, but I've not eaten there, okay? The day I went, I didn't know that they actually operate only at evening. I think they open by 5. So this is something like to 6 now. So I said, okay, let me just go and check them out. I think they have some very wonderful delicacies because it's just new, you understand? I think it's new, basically. How are you? Thank you. Okay. These are my very great neighbors. So just saying hi to them generally. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, this is a happy family. Make sure you subscribe, guys. It's a beautiful family. What are you waiting for? Like, this is a very, very beautiful family. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best, you know, right? That's why I always continue to bring out content, because I know that there are people that always watch my content. So thank you so much for the love you guys showed in my last video, the convocation video. I really appreciate you. This is me saying thank you, Terima kasih. God bless you guys so much. Anyways, let's go quickly and go and try some wonderful local dish just near my house. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Okay, like I told you, it's just around the section 17. So I'm already around the place. This is Hussein Seafood Corner. That's where I'm actually, I want to eat. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see there something? Yeah, this area, Hussein Seafood Corner here. Hi, how are you? Okay, now I want to try the food. Hi, how are you? Right. Thank you so much. Yes, Malaysian food. Saya makan Melayu. You have? Nasi goreng kampung. Nasi goreng kampung. Nasi goreng fried rice. No, I already eaten fried rice before. Is it only nasi goreng you have? Seafood. Okay, seafood. This restaurant Melayu? Restaurant Melayu. Hussein Corner. Okay, guys, restaurant Melayu Hussein Corner. Please come and try their food. I'm going to try and review their food today, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. Okay. Hi, Papa. How are you? Good, huh? Okay, that's Daddy there. He's also cooking. Okay, so so they are very lively, very friendly. Let me close this thing first because I'm still in the public. So normally you have to scan this first. So I will just scan. So minimum. Apa minum? Teh ais tetari. Apple. Oh, okay. Okay.
Kopi paket, Ali Cafe.
Okay.
Kopi janda, teh
Okay.
ais, 5 ais.
Okay. Apa minum Melayu?
Melayu teh tarik lah.
Teh tarik. Okay. Teh ais, teh tarik. I already tried those ones before, so I think I'll just try the coffee. Okay. Coffee.
Kopi.
Yes. Ice.
Kopi ais.
Coffee ice. Okay. Terima kasih. So makan.
Okay.
Now prepare.
Tomyam
Can see.
soup.
Tomyam soup.
Soup ada Sup Ekor. Tomyam seafood.
Okay. Menu. You have menu?
Menu.
Okay. That is what I'm supposed to ask for.
Menu.
The menu. Okay. Wow. Okay, guys. This is the menu.
Sup ayam,
Sup
sup
ayam.
chicken, sup daging,
Wow.
sup
Okay.
sayur, sup cidawan, sup perut, tulang, ekor,
Soup campur.
campur.
Campur. Okay, it is campur, not campur, guys.
Oh.
Okay.
Campur
So-
ni L, semua ada.
Okay. So, soup campur. Tomyam, huh? I
Alright.
think soup is more local.
Oh.
Soup should be more local, if I'm not mistaken. So, soup campur.
Sup campur.
And
And
what are we-
egg,
soup
egg,
campur, eh?
egg dadar, telur dadar, egg.
telur.
Telur
Okay,
dadar.
telur dadar.
Egg,
Soup campur, telur dadar.
telur dadar.
Okay, telur is egg.
Like egg.
Yes, egg.
Yes.
Okay.
Lagi.
Lagi. Then
Ah,
nasi.
Nasi satu.
Nasi satu. Okay.
Chicken goreng pedas, chicken halia, chicken.
Soup campur. Chicken there? No.
No. Chicken ada.
Chicken. Okay.
Ini mah goreng-goreng, ayam chicken goreng ke.
Okay. Give me masak pedas.
Masak pedas.
Masak pedas. I think it's
pedas.
hot.
Hot. Chicken hot.
Okay. Spicy. Spicy. Okay. Mommy says, auntie says spicy. Kaka says spicy. Okay. So masak pedas.
Spicy.
And then soup campur.
Nasi satu.
And
Dadar
telur dadar. Yes.
Alright.
Then
Right now.
drink already.
Alright.
Okay. They are very lively, very friendly. You can see they are walking very graciously here. Everybody's walking, and you can see there's the kitchen side there. The other guy there is doing their work. I just love how they are well organized and they work all together. Okay, I think this is going to be one of the pepper I'm going to be eating. Very, very hot. Pedas. Hi. This is your favorite restaurant, right? You always eat the makan. Makan here very good.
Very good.
Oh, okay. I'm review their restaurant. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Okay. Start to cook right now. So this is the process. You guys can see wonderful delicacies here. Dadar. Oh, egg dadar. Okay. So it started with the frying one, and so they have two sides of their kitchen, as you guys can see. The first side here, then the dad is on the other side. They are doing the soup. I think he's preparing the soup. I don't know how to share my stuff. Okay, so daddy prepared the soup, right?
Soup campur.
Soup campur. Okay, so this is egg, this is chicken, then soup campur is at the other side. Okay, egg dada already ready. Okay, so let's quickly go and see what daddy is doing at the soup campur side. So let's see. Okay, soup, huh?
Tomyam.
Tomyam. Oh, this one is tomyam. Oh, okay. Wow. You guys, can you see? Okay. I actually want to see.
Tomyam soup.
Okay. Soup. Okay, guys, this is the soup now. The soup. Soup campur. You guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Wow. Soup. Okay. Oh. You guys see what's happening? I guess this food is going to be very, very, very medicinal because you can see a lot of onions, herbs, all those things, all those leaves and everything. Oh, daging.
Ekor lembu.
Ekor lembu.
Ni ekor.
Oh.
Nak.
Wow. Yeah. Mama, yeah. Ekor.
Soup campur tak payah. Ekor.
This one is daging?
Ekor lembu.
Ekor lembu. Okay.
Boleh.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Ekor lembu tak?
Okay, you guys should tell me what is ekor lembu. I love to know. I don't really know what this ekor lembu is, but yeah. Let's put it inside. And the price is actually fair, if you ask me. You know, with all these delicacies that are here. So let's see. It's cutting some tomatoes and all that. Oh, finish. Oh, soup now, huh? Okay, soup is ready already. Okay, you guys. Hey, my friend, come and explore with Bolu. I love you. Okay, guys, so I'm about to eat this delicious delicacy I have right in front of me here. So that's coffee. I'm taking that coffee, okay, in the Malaysian way. Then I have the nasi, just nasi putih, the white rice. I just want to show you guys what I have here. You guys can see that. Then this one is telur dadar. Telur is egg in Malaysia, okay? Telur dadar. And then we have this what do you call this? Sup campur. I think it's Sup Ekor. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's Sup Ekor. Okay, then we have this one. This one is called Masak Pedas. Okay, hot chicken. Okay, so let's try this food very graciously. Mix everything with the rice and step down with this coffee drink in the Malaysian way. The life will never remain the same again. Okay, so let us try. Can't wait. I can't wait. So let's eat. First of all, I start with this coffee. Coffee, tea ice. Oh, tea ice, not coffee. Oh, they, tea ice. They gave me tea ice. Let me test it and see. Coffee. Coffee. This food is a big food, guys. Like a big food. I put some egg here. So I'm going to take some of this chicken. Ayam Masak Pedas. Okay. Ayam Masak Pedas. So let's try with those ones first. This one already is like a sauce, so you can feel the aroma in this place, guys. So much delicious food. Like, you can't even understand. So let's go. Let's go with one bite of this juiciness, the onions and everything. Oh my God. Wow. This is actually tasting exactly like the normal Nigerian special stew. So delicious, guys. Oh, this is just like chicken stew in Nigeria. Yes, it's like chicken stew. This is so good. I like this. I think this is the first time I'm having this kind of special taste of Malaysian food. Okay, so this is ayam masak pedas. Very, very delicious. Ayam masak pedas. No sugar at all. It's a dark gula. No sugar at all. It's a dark gula. Gula sugar. Gula means sweet, something that is sweet or sugar. Okay. So let's try with the soup. I will just put a little of the soup. Actually, this place is very close to the roadside, so you guys will be hearing some noise and all that. Sorry. Let's take with the tomatoes and let me take a little of the cucumber. Basically, it's good to try everything together. This food is supposed to be for 2 people. I can feel the meat. I think this is the esok or what? What is the name of this thing, guys? I think is it esok? I asked him if it's beef. I don't know, but yeah. Let's just try. There is some very, very powerful pepper inside there. I don't want to try that one because I know it's going to be hot. So let's go take a spoon of graciousness with the tomato, onions, cucumber, and the meat that was there, a sock. I actually asked for the campur, but they gave me this one. So let's try, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, go. Their food is very savory. Their food is very savory, guys. Totally different taste from what I've been trying before. Sometimes you look at all the food, you think it's the same. It's not the same. The ingredient they used to prepare is always different. That's why it has different taste and different satisfaction. Your life can never remain the same again. Malaysian food is always unique, but I don't know what is the tribe that actually eats this one. The uncle at the back is very, very happy that wow, this guy is trying the food. He's so happy. Let's take another bite. This one, sedap. Very sedap. Uncle is very happy. In my country, basically, people eat more boiled egg with rice, you understand? But here, telur and nasi is a very normal practice by the Malaysians. By the way, Malaysians like egg a lot. But who doesn't really like egg, right? Everybody likes egg. Am I right? So let's take another bite. For that, I have to balance off camera to enjoy the rest, guys. How do I describe Malaysian coffee? It's like normal coffee basically, but I think their own is a little bit more, let's say, concentrated. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, it's sweet. It's like coffee. It's not very thick like that, but You can still feel that coffee taste there. Yeah. I think I like this one very well. Yeah. I prefer this one because the sauce is just like my stew. The taste is not strange to me, and it's even more sweeter and more unique. When I mean sweet, not sugar, but like tasty, flavory, if you want. This one is hot. It's heavy. You can feel that herbal something there. I'm so scared to eat the pepper. The pepper is like fresh pepper. Okay, it's cooked. Let's try it. The green pepper is not very hot, but I can still feel the hotness. It's hot too. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching till this time. Make sure you like this video, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let me know what you guys want in the next video. I have to leave this place now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love and God bless you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Makan, very sedap. Yeah. Very, yeah, very sedap. Very good. Yes, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.